Mastering Classroom Skills, the Power of Teacher Workshops. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving into a very special topic: teacher workshops. Whether you're an aspiring educator or simply curious about how teachers enhance their skills, this video is for you. We'll explore what teacher workshops are, why they are important, and how they contribute to the ever-evolving world of education. Teacher workshops are specialized training sessions designed for educators. These workshops focus on a variety of topics, such as new teaching methods, classroom management strategies, subject-specific content, and integrating technology into learning. They provide a platform for teachers to learn, grow, and share experiences with their peers. Think of them as a classroom, but for the teachers themselves. Why are these workshops so crucial? Well, the field of education is always changing, and teachers need to stay updated. Teacher workshops enhance teaching skills. Teachers learn new strategies and techniques to make their teaching more effective and engaging. Promote lifelong learning. They emphasize the importance of continuous learning and growth, even for the educators. Encourage collaboration. Teachers share their experiences and challenges, fostering a supportive community of professionals. A typical teacher workshop might include interactive sessions, hands-on activities, discussions, and even guest lectures from experts. Teachers are often encouraged to participate actively, ask questions, and even present their ideas. It's a dynamic environment where creativity and learning go hand in hand. The impact of these workshops extends beyond the classroom. They contribute to improved student performance. Better teaching methods lead to better understanding and performance from students. Professional development. Teachers add to their skill set and qualifications, which can lead to career growth. Positive learning environment. Well-trained teachers create a positive and inclusive environment, nurturing every student's potential. We hope this video sheds light on the significance of teacher workshops and how they empower educators to bring out the best in their students. Remember, in the journey of education, teachers are not just instructors but lifelong learners too. Thank you for joining us today, and keep learning, keep growing. Feel free to adapt the content and sections based on the specific focus you'd like your video to have or the target audience you're addressing. Good luck with your video.